Hello students, welcome, and in this video we will discuss follow-ups. These are follow-ups for describe a person who always has interesting ideas or opinions. First question is, when do you think children start to have their own opinions? In my opinion, children start developing their opinions very early, even as babies when they show preferences. By ages 5 to 6, they can clearly voice their likes or dislikes, but their ability to logically argue opinions keeps developing through the teen years. Okay? Second question is, are children's opinions influenced by their parents? Yes, children's opinions are heavily swayed, they change by their parents as they inculcate their beliefs and viewpoints to their kids. Okay. The third question is, who are smart children likely to be influenced by? Okay. So the question is basically stating who influences intelligent children. According to me, intelligent kids tend to be influenced by teachers. They impart their knowledge, skills, and values that shape children's understanding and opinions. Children go to schools, they are taught by teachers who have vast knowledge and experience, and then these teachers impart their knowledge, okay, onto the students and describe their viewpoint as well. Fourth question is, why are there more and more differences between children and their parents? In my view, there are considerable differences between children and their parents because their thinking is different. Okay? This is what we call generational gap. Parents have their own ideas of right and wrong, while children have their own ideas. Okay? Children don't have the experience which comes with age, while parents have it, and that shapes their viewpoint. Okay, so this was the follow-ups for describe a person who always has interesting ideas or opinions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button